Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Raymart Dunlog is here.
Internal combustion engine. Internal combustion engine. Definitions. Internal combustion engine can be a 2 or 4 stroke cycle piston engine wherein heat energy is developed by burning then fuel mixtures, gas, diesels, oil, etc. Inside the combustion chamber, which in turn produce mechanical energy in the form of reciprocating and rotating forces and expanding gases during combustion to drive a piston shaft or propeller. Diesel engine is the principal internal combustion engine for stationary power plant. So, ang internal combustion engine na siya duha or upat ka stroke cycle piston engine. So burning then fuel mixtures, gas, diesels, and oil. So proceed. Application coverage. The role of internal combustion engine shall be covered or applied to the following: portable and mobile generating units which may be moved from site to site where electrical power is required. So, ang portable o ang mobile na generating units silbi nag move siya sa electrical power. Standby units normally idle, which can be activated when there is a failure of central station power, where an interruption would mean a financial loss or danger to life and property, just as in tunnel, lighting, operating rooms, industrial process, etc. Engine-driven generator units installed in power plants, where they are the normal primary source of electrical power generated for industrial and general utilitized services. 4. Prime movers for industrial manufacturing process and services. 5. All internal combustion engine used in construction and agricultural services and other similar applications, except those engines used in transportation such as automobile, aircraft engine, gas or liquid compressor engine, marine or shear motor engines. Standard requirements as a minimum requirements for purposes of installation, plan checking, inspection, and other consideration prior to the clearance of any installations and use of internal combustion engine. Chapter 2 of the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineering PSME Code and Rule 1060 of the Optional Safety and Standard shall be applied. Inspection. The regional labor office through its duly authorized representative shall conduct inspection of internal combustion engine accompanied by the representatives of the owner or the supervisions for operation and maintenance, and those who install the internal combustion engine on the following phases of work. A. During the construction phase of the foundation and or installing of the internal combustion engine. Before being placed into service after installation, before being placed into service after modification, periodically at intervals not exceeding 12 months. Internal combustion engine room or building. All building permanently or temporarily used shall be structurally safe and sound to prevent their collapse. 2. Roof shall be of sufficient strength to withstand normal design load, typhoon, and strong winds in addition to carrying suspended loads. 3. Floors over free from holes and sphincters, improperly fitted gutters or conduits, protruding nails and bolts, projecting valves or pipes or other obstruction which creates stumbling hazard. Internal combustion engine foundation requirements. Foundation shall be a sufficient strength structurally designed to sustain the loads for which they are designed. Under no condition shall they be overloaded. Second, floor building footings shall be insulated from foundation base by the least 25 mm around 175 perimeter to eliminate transmission of evacuation. Opening shall be filled with watertight insulations. Machine guarding. All moving parts of the engine, transmission equipment, and all dangerous parts of driving machinery shall be effective guarded in accordance with prevention of a rule. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you, Sir Mark Anthony.